Boy, that's a do start.
Well, me and a couple of my brethren them. Let's do what we can do. Help who we can help. And try make a difference. You want a water?
Yeah, man. I hear what?
Mm.
I have about 8 generator. I get from a link here.
Eh?
They're going to juggle them now, but I'm going to just donate them.
Mm.
Yeah, strength, you know what I say?
That sound good. That sound good. You're a real youth, you know. Trust me, that will help out a whole heap of people.
Yeah, man, I hear footstep me follow, you know.
My footstep. Brother, I'm never gonna follow in your footstep. You know, say your foot them big. A baby calf from that.
Yeah, real sample man, you know. Yeah, man, me I touch the road, you know.
Alright. Hey, you still have produce music?
Yeah, man, we still do it now and again, you know, but you know, the business kind of changed, so I have to be selective with do my work with, you see me?
So hold on. You don't work with some of the big name them?
Yeah, man, no for the big name them, man. No for them.
Yeah. Including Cartel, that's all.
Yeah, man. World boss.
It's right. So tell me, like when they're on the street, you're not gonna link him?
Alright, now still, you know. I've met DJ go and tower liquor. Everybody are running, you know.
Yeah, that makes sense. Cause all the work and it's gonna run you know for real.
I'm not depend that, you see me?
Zine. Well, do you think, Mr. Jack of many trades and universal links?
Don't know say a link from the world, no?
That's why I'm glad to say I'm a family.
Oh.
Anyway, miss you. And remember, I'm gonna pass through this weekend.
Let's say alright, man. Touch the road, man.
Yeah, man, do that. The day just get more interesting. Come.
Sir Carlton. Wait, that's it reach? Well, let me declare, I come in peace.
You know, you're literally the last person I expect to see I walk through my office door.
Well, you know what them say. The first shall be the last, and the last the first. Because, really, you are the first person come to my mind when I discover a little issue up on my block.
Is that so? And what issue might that be?
Well, there's a project I go on up at the top of the hill. And your name come up as lead contractor / silent partner.
Okay. So let me guess. You have some youth up there where you're supposed to give work, or else no work can't go on. You're gonna lock down my site, right?
Mr. Wallace, that's not what I am here about, sir. I can understand. You still see me in a particular light.
Funny you should say a particular light. When me think about you is just pure darkness. I never see a leopard change on spot. But anyway, could you just cut to the chase? Pun intended.
Well, first and foremost, you didn't answer my question. Your association with said project.
It's because I see you as a man who loves to shake down thing there. Me not see the need for answer your question. Knowing your background as a activist, dan, area leader, whatever you want to call yourself. Whatever moniker you want to use.
The name Ratcliffe Morgan ring a bell to you?
Should it?
So Wallace, despite what you think about me, for some reason, I still see you as an honorable man. And I can't help but applaud the cause you've been championing. Low income housing for the common man. But for some reason, I don't see you and this Ratcliffe Morgan character. I tried the same part.
Alright. Let me thank you for your vote of confidence in my work ethics. And I guess to some extent I could reciprocate, Mr. King. The truth be told, I was interested in that project, but I am no longer involved.
Now this start make more sense. Because as far as my investigations go, the work that was supposed to be happening up there is not what is happening. And in spite of the differences, I know you know my stand on the communities. And me not really want them to take the people them for a ride. Seriously.
Alright, King. Indulge me a little bit. Out of curiosity, what kind of work you hear say going on there?